So the big picture for this lesson is equations. Now, an equation is a mathematical sentence. So what happens here for an equation is you're going to have something is equal to something else. This equal sign is what makes it a sentence. Otherwise, it would just be an expression. So what's an example of an equation? You could just say 3 plus 4 equals 7. That is an equation. Although in mathematics, maybe that's not something particularly interesting. Usually an equation in algebra and courses like that is more interesting when you don't know a value and you represent it with a variable. And x is the most popular one. So let's say, for example, you buy 4 pairs of shoes and then plus you don't know how many other pairs of shoes, and then the total pairs of shoes is 10 pairs of shoes. So here's your equation to represent the situation. You have 4 pairs of shoes plus you don't know how many pairs of shoes equals 10 pairs of shoes. Why would you need that many? I don't know. So then the question is, how many more pairs of shoes? Well, to solve this, you need to figure out 4 plus what number makes 10? Well, that's 6. So that means 6 additional pairs of shoes. And what if you want to do something a little more mathematical? So you can do an equation like this. You can say 7 plus some number is 14. So 7 plus some number x equals 14. And what is that number? Well, it's going to be 7 because 7 plus 7 is 14. You can also do subtraction equations. For example, x minus 8 equals 2. So some number minus 8 equals 2. Well, that's 10 because 10 minus 8 is 2. So really, that's the basic idea for this lesson, that equations are mathematical sentences, and you're going to practice working with them a little bit.